Good day everyone, welcome to my vlog. So for today's vlog, we will tackle about definite integral. In definite integral, we have history of integration, definition and types of integration, some basic properties of definite integral, application of integration in real life, and conclusion. So first, we have the history of integration. The principles of integration were formulated independently by Isaac Newton and Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz in the late 17th century, who thought of the integral as an infinite sum of the rectangles of infinitesimal width. Bernhard Riemann gives a rigorous mathematical definition of integrals. So the process of finding antiderivative is called integration. Thus, if d over dx with f of x is equal to f of x, then integration the function f of x of I produce the antiderivatives is of the form f of x plus c. So integral of f of x dx is equals to f of c plus c. The expression integral of f of x dx is called the indefinite integral. There are two types of definite integration. First, we have definite integration and indefinite integration. Given a function f of x that is continuous in the interval ab, we divide the interval into n sub-intervals of equal with h, and from each interval choose a point x. Then the definite integral of f of x from a to b is the number a that is the bottom of the integral sign is called the lower limit of the integral, and the number b at the top of the integral sign is called the upper limit of the integral. Also, despite the fact that a and b were given as an interval, the lower limit does not necessarily need to be smaller than the upper limit. Collectively, we'll often call a and b the interval of integration. Properties of definite integral. The definite integral of 1 is equal to the length of interval of the integral. A constant factor can be moved across the integral sign. Definite integral is independent of variable of integration. If the upper limit and lower limit of the finite integral are the same, then the integral is 0. So, reversing the limit of integration, change the sign of definite integral. The definite integral of the sum and difference is equal to the sum and difference of the integral respectively. Suppose that a point C belongs to the interval AB, then the definite integral of the function f of x over AB is equal to the sum of integral over AC and CB. So, there are numerous applications of integral. Using technology such as computer software, internet sources, graphing calculators, and smartphone apps can make solving integral problems easier. Some applications of integrals are displacement. Displacement is the vector quantity that represents the difference between the final position of the object and its initial position. In other words, how far it traveled from point A to point B. Displacement is the integral of velocity, which looks like change of velocity. The integral of acceleration is the change in which is triangle V is equal to integral of A of t dt. Area. Integration can be used to find areas, volumes, central points, or length, arc length, center of mass, work, pressure, and many useful things. But a definite integral has start and ends points. In other words, if there is an interval AB, we can find out the actual area under a curve.